Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad NABIL bin Muhammad YAZID. My ID number is EB19236. Okay, today I want to present our report that we have been finished. Okay, first I want to introduce our team. Okay, so first, Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad KHAMROL ID number EB19114. Second, AIDIL ROZAIMAN bin MOHAMAD EB19222. Third, Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Muhammad AMINUDIN EB19224. Okay, we have been choose the title is motorcycle. Okay, from the introduction, we have explain what is a motorcycle and what is the maintenance that we have made for the motorcycle. Okay, we have chosen we have detected 15 common problem with these vehicles. In addition, we have used the Y15 Yamaha motorcycle vehicle model as we have model for this project. When examining the model, we choose there are some components that are still good and there are some that are not good. The picture below is the vehicle model we selected. It is a model that we have choose. Okay. It is a cool engine and the cooler for the motorcycle, and this is the chains. And this is the full storage. Okay, for the analysis, we have conclude 15 problems that we have choose, and I will explain 5 from the problem from the problem. Okay, first the problem is worn out tires. Okay, worn out tire is based on it can happen when someone use the motorcycle very quickly or very fast and make the tire worn out. It will happen. The surface of the tire superheats very quickly while the car stays below operating temperature. Okay, the second one is suspension binding. Okay, the suspension binding is a motorcycle item is from the tire and the body is the absorber that we call the absorber. This suspension binding is very important part of the very motorcycle. It is certain no one wants to uncomfortable while riding on the road. Therefore, if you want comfortable ride, timely replacement of oil in suspension is important as well as regular maintenance. Okay, we need to replace the oil for the suspension, because when the suspension empty with the oil, it will make the suspension not useful, very good. Okay, the third one is an engine mechanical problem. The engine mechanical problem is the basic maintenance for the motorcycle. When we use the motorcycle, we need to change some of the component from the engine, like black oil, because when we did not change the oil, this will make the motorcycle become more, it will not doing well for riding. Okay, the fourth one is a clutch failure. Clutch failure is a clutch lever is stuck, whether that means it's stuck completely released or if it's stuck pulled in. This could mean you have the back clutch cable, but it's a sign of the back clutch as well as something. When we have a back clutch cable, we will make the clutch failure. When the clutch failure fail, we cannot use the motorcycle a while because we did not make repairing. Okay, the fifth one is braking issues. Braking issues is very important for the motorcycle because when the motorcycle have the braking issues, it will make the motorcycle do not get motorcycle become more faster because it will make the motorcycle cannot stop because the brake is did not use as well. Okay. Another problem is the plugs flooded full, uncharged batteries, vibration at high speed, issue engine management, malfunction, poorly lubricated chains, alternator failure, not tracking streets, handling problems, contaminated full consumption. Okay, these are our 5 problems. Yeah, I will explain one from the 5 problem. Okay, this is one of the example, not tracking straight. Okay, for the motorcycle not tracking straight, why this will happen? If accident that cause the vehicle condition to be unstable. When the motorcycle get the accident, will make the motorcycle not doing well. Okay, burst tire, driving while drunk, driving too fast, loop tires. Okay, these are the explanation for the F5. Okay, the Ishikawa diagram is an example for the Ishikawa diagram. Okay, for the example for Ishikawa diagram is engine mechanical problem. In Ishikawa diagram, we have separate to 4 points: people, environment, and measurement and machine. We have used all same for the all problem. Okay, fault tree analysis. Fault tree analysis, we have I will explain one of the is handling problem. Handling problem for the end gate is the handle is too tight and less experience using tight handles. When these two combine, it will make the motorcycle handling problem. Or for the OR gate, the green handle is worn out, the motorcycle handle is broken, the motor handle is bent. If one of these happen, it will make the handling problems. Okay, for the FMEA, this is our FMEA. Yeah, I will show which one is our chosen for the video. Okay, for the video we have chosen suspension winding because the RPM is too high and braking issues, and the last one is poorly lubricated chains. It's a third. These three we have chosen because it has been risky for the problem for the motorcycle. Okay, manual win database result. Okay, for this one, our friend Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad KHAMROL NIZAM will explain about the manual win result. Yeah, I will continue. For that, I want to tell is for the FMEA, the video Muhammad Nur AIDIL ROZAIMAN we explain from the video the suspension binding, braking issue and polar lubricate change.
And at win-win, we use 3 problems from 50, which is chain, tire, and suspension. add this main ring. You can see here our problem, tire and suspension. So this is hot. This is our work order. To repair the chain, we use new chain that is brand UMA. The cost 30. After that, we change tire. Tire. We work on condition work. We use measuring at size 110 to 70 at cost 70. And the last one is suspension, which is expensive item. We use to repair it at the model YAZID at Y50 setup. The cost is 800. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, for the conclusion, we have managed to find 15 problems with the Wasuku model motorcycle. Okay, that's all from our conclusion. Okay, the most important is we have also learned something new, that we have been taught to use CMS application that is often used on maintenance out there. The most commonly used CMS application is MOHD. In this application, we have placed the item that we have set to be datasheet item. After that, we use the whole data sheet to show how the financial cost for all those items will be calculated. Finally, this app has opened our minds that the world is vast because it's full of things that we still do not know. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to Muhammad ROZAIMAN for the explanation for the FMEA video.
The suspension, the problem is suspension binding have rusted. You see, refer by the Ishikawa diagram that we made, people always skip the maintenance of the motor. Okay. Second problem is because the suspension made from a cheap material or low quality material. Okay, this brake. The problem is if this brake is scratched and broke, it cannot be used. So the solution is we need to buy a new disc brake, so the motorcycle can use as usual. The last part is the chain. If the chain is rust or broke, we cannot use. So if the chain is rusted, we can clean the rust with oil. After that, if the chain is broken, scratch, we need to buy a new chain. It is because the chains, if the chain is rusted, it has used for a long time, or because it's broke, the chain is has low quality product.